Hey guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. So hey, you want to get some free stuff? How about a free desktop stand, a free case, a free cleaning kit, and one other item thrown in, like an Amazon gift card or a discount code for some tech items or a set of earbuds and headphones? Well, Jeff Springer, an awesome content creator here on YouTube that's been helping out the community for a long time, is giving away 500 mystery boxes for those of you that pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold 4 through a link that he has set up. And this is available to all residents in US and Canada. And here's the kicker, guys. It's completely free. And when I mean completely free, I'm talking shipping and everything. Jeff's picking up the cost of everything on this. So he's working hard with Samsung to put this offer out there for you guys. I got a video up about it on the screen now. He's done 2 of them so far. I'm going to link them both down in the description so you have all the details. They're both short videos. He's going to walk you right through the process. I did it myself. I've already done it through Jeff now. I'm waiting for my box to come here. And that's the thing. The boxes will show up about 2 to 3 weeks after you get your device. The retail value on it, he's already quoted as being $40 to $50. No strings attached, guys. In addition to that, you're also going to get some Samsung credit added to your order. I mean, it's a win-win-win-win situation for everybody. This helps Jeff build up his rapport with Samsung, and he's given to the community, which he loves doing. He's doing this on his channel for a long time. He's been helping people out, and he's extremely knowledgeable with Samsung products and services. So, Jeff, thank you so much for this opportunity. He's got 500 of these, but many of them are already spoken for. Remember, he put this out a month ago. So he just did the update video a couple days ago saying he has a few left. So I reached out to Jeff today and said, hey, do you mind if I put out a quick video to promote this? Let's get all these boxes out the door for you. And he said, sure, go for it. So thanks, Jeff, for letting me spread the word on this. I think it's really awesome of you for doing this for the Samsung community. And for all of you that are looking to pre-order the Z Fold 4, don't miss out on this. Don't. I mean, just go down in the description. I've got 2 links to his videos for you. He's going to walk you right through it in his videos. It's just a couple steps, literally. I'll actually walk you through it right now. Let's go ahead and do it. We're on one of his videos now. Down in the description, he has free Z Fold 4 mystery box. Go ahead and click it. It's going to pull up his page, Jeff Springer, dopetechdaily.net. All right, this is his site, and he's got the basic details of it right here for you. But again, I do recommend you watch his videos, all right? That way you have the full details, but there's not much to it. He's got the links that are tied to Samsung, so Samsung knows that you're going through him. It helps him track the orders, and it also gets you that Samsung credit that we talked about. You're going to go ahead and add 1 to cart. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, then we click on our cart, and you see our shopping cart, $0, 0 cents. We'll go to checkout. And he's just going to ask you for some basic information, your shipping details. That's basically it. There is no payment. There is no purchase. You're just going to put in your shipping info, review it, and submit it to him. And what's going to happen after that is you're going to get an email from Jeff, because you're going to provide him his email address when you do that order. And he's going to kind of summarize the whole process for you right here. And he's going to give you the direct links in this email as well. And as we scroll down a little bit further, you can see he's giving you Samsung credit for each of these devices that you want to pre-order. So he's covering all the devices from the Samsung Unpacked 2022 event. So Jeff, thank you so much for helping out the Samsung community. Guys, check out the links in the description. I highly recommend it. Let me check my notes in case I missed anything. Box value, $40 to $50. 2 to 3 weeks delivery, free shipping, all the items we mentioned, the case, the desktop stand, the cleaning kit. Those are all in the box for sure. Those 3 items. All right, guys? And then there's going to be like 1 or 2 little things that he's going to throw in extra. And I don't mean necessarily little. We're talking like Amazon gift cards, a set of headphones. He's going to throw one of those in. You have no idea what you're going to get. 500 mystery boxes from Jeff. Most of them are spoken for, so you might want to act fast on this. Links to his videos in the description. Show him some love. Show him some support. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.